Everything starts with the login page. Schools can customize this page with their own logo and background image. In this example, we are viewing the system as a super user, which provides access to all areas of the platform. The dashboard widgets are active, and the navigation modules appear on the left side. Some regional modules, like Ontario or British Columbia, are not enabled in this environment, but they would normally appear here. This menu simply shows the available areas of the platform and how users move between them. The configuration panel is where administrators configure the different modules and system settings. This is where the structure of the platform can be adjusted to match the needs of the school. Next, we open Super Search. This allows staff to quickly find people and records in the system. Here we are opening a student profile. The profile contains several tabs. The Contact tab lists parents and other individuals who can be contacted about the student. We also see the Alert section, which highlights important information. In this case, we see a health alert, a medical alert, and also a legal alert. There is also an IEP alert, indicating that the student has an individual education plan. Next, we look at the Enrolment tab, which shows the student's enrolment history across academic years. This student has remained in the same grade level, so there are not many entries to display. On the Assessment tab, we can see the student's published grade reports. Opening a report allows staff to review the available grading information. The Timetable tab shows the student's full schedule. Additional tabs may appear depending on the school configuration. Finally, the Files section contains documents stored on the student profile. Staff members with the appropriate permissions are able to access these files when needed. Super Search can also locate teachers and courses. Here, we open a teacher profile to see how staff records appear in the system. This tab shows the teacher's contact information. Other tabs include employment details and staff consent records. Teachers can also view their teaching roster and timetable. From the timetable, they can perform actions within each class period, such as creating assignments or recording attendance. Now we will impersonate this teacher to see how the teacher portal looks from their perspective. Inside the teacher portal, we see the available modules. The system also highlights incomplete attendance, reminding the teacher if any class attendance has not yet been recorded. Next, we open the course list. Teachers only see the courses assigned to them, along with the students enrolled in those courses. This ensures that access remains secure. Teachers can also manage assignments directly inside their courses. Opening an assignment displays the assignment details and grading options. Now, we open the Assessment section. Here we are viewing an English course. Grades can be entered in grid view, allowing teachers to quickly record scores across multiple students. As values are entered, the system automatically calculates the results. Teachers can also apply grading templates. These templates structure the assessment criteria and update student results automatically. Teachers can continue reviewing or editing grades in the same grid interface. Once grading is finished, the results are saved and marked as complete. When we reopen the gradebook, the system now shows the calculated letter grades. Next, we look at Quick Actions. Quick Actions allow teachers to perform common tasks directly from the timetable. For example, teachers can send announcements, create assignments, manage IEP information, generate manual lists, report events, or record attendance. Attendance is one of the most frequently used features. Because we are currently in Period 3, English Literature, the system opens that class automatically. We mark the student present and save the attendance. Once saved, the attendance record is immediately stored in the system. And that completes our walkthrough of the Student Information System. More about other modules in next videos. Thanks for watching.